Hello everyone, my name is Vaughn Marie Moniz. I am an event planner and owner of Lovely Events by Vaughn, where we help you keep calm, stay lovely, and party on. Today we're talking about the do's and don'ts on how to announce an engagement. So before we get into that, let me go ahead and share this. Alright, so how to announce your engagement. So getting engaged is, of course, something extremely exciting. It's an exciting moment, one of the best moments. Of course, as you get older, there's going to be more things added to your exciting moments, but getting engaged is one of the very first exciting moments of your life. So most of your friends and your family, they're going to be very happy for you. They're going to be excited, if not as excited as you are, that you're engaged. But then there's some people that, of course, are not going to be very happy, and it's whether it could be jealousy or it can be, they're sad. Maybe you're like their twin sister or best friend or something, and now they feel like they're going to lose you forever. Or it could just be some people just don't care, but some people are just not going to be as excited, and these are some things that you just have to work through. But the important thing to know is that it doesn't matter how people feel. This is your moment, you and your fiance's moment, and that's all that matters. So as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So that being said, of course, in this social media world, you're going to be very excited, and you're not going to be able to contain yourself to share the big news. So let's start out with the don'ts of how to announce your engagement. So number one, probably this might be a given, but to be honest, some people just don't know. It doesn't, they're not doing things to be malicious, or some people are, but most people are not. But to me, this one's a given. Don't announce it at a friend's or a family member's engagement party. I would say not even just engagement party, just don't announce it at their party, whatever event that they're having, because this is their moment to shine and you will have yours. So try to not do it at that time. Number two, don't brag. That's it's not a competition, so it's not going to be like who has the bigger ring or whatnot. It's just you're engaged and you should be happy, but just try not to brag about it. Number three, don't share it right after someone shares bad news. So if someone says, oh, I lost my job today, probably not the best time to say, oh my God, I'm engaged. Probably don't do it at that point. Not a good idea. The next one that I have, this one's a big one. Don't do it before it actually happens. So it could be that you and your partner are talking about getting engaged. It's very exciting, but you haven't gotten the ring yet. So try not to do it before you get the ring, because you can be talking about it all day, but you don't know what your partner is thinking. So if your partner is talking about it like he wants to get married tomorrow, that's different from when he's actually ready to propose. So definitely don't do that, but also try not to spread the word, because if it gets back to your partner, then that's going to be a lot of pressure on them, and not to mention it's going to feel a little awkward when they're like, we're not engaged. So that's going to look really bad. So try not to do it until after you have the ring and everybody else knows. Don't do it with an awkward engagement picture. So if you're going to be posting pictures, then just keep it simple. You can have someone take a picture of you two in the moment, or of you two in your ring, something like that. Just don't post any weird engagement pictures. Don't post online before you let your family and close friends know. That's a big one, because you don't want to post any kind of news before your close friends and family know. It's not a good way to find out about an engagement, especially like if I announce it and then, my sister who lives in New Jersey now, she finds out through online. That's not cool, especially because we're close. That's not cool. So try to keep it to after everyone close to you knows. And then also with that, you might want to let the people you told, let them know that you haven't announced it yet, so that they're not on Facebook congratulating you and, you know, tagging you and things. So that's not a good way to find out through someone else. So definitely be careful with that. Some of the do's: you want to announce it on social media, definitely, especially because a lot of us are on social media and it's such a big platform. So you definitely want to announce it on social media. Of course, after you let the people close to you know. You also want to make the announcement about the two of you. So make sure that you're both involved in the announcement. So it'd be nice to share it at the same time. Let's say if your soon to be husband or wife has a Facebook too, maybe post it at the same time or tag them in the announcement, something like that. But make sure, of course, that the people close to him know and the people close to you know. Post your pictures. If you want to go ahead and post the first announcement, you know, with your ring or whatever. And of course, if you had someone there, if your partner was thoughtful enough to have someone there photographing the memory of the day, maybe try to keep it to just an album, because this is how people start to unfollow you. I mean, yes, we're all very happy for you, but then if you're posting the same picture with like a different pose or something similar to it, then this is when people are going to start shutting off your notifications, and then they'll never get anything that you're posting again. So just be careful with that oversharing. You do want to take the time to thank everyone. I personally like to thank everyone individually. For like my birthday, I will sit there and as soon as a notification comes in, I'm already thanking them. It's just me. But you do want to make sure that you're saying your thank yous, even if it's just a post, a general post. Thank you everyone for the congratulations. We're very excited. You know, it takes like 2 seconds. And then if you have children already, or if you have pets like a dog or a cat or anything like that, even a snake, if that's your beloved pet, go ahead and include them in the announcement. So maybe you can put the kids around you guys, or, you know, however you want to set it up. That'd be kind of neat to include the whole family. And that is all I have for today. This was kind of a short one, but those are your do's and don'ts. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you have another one that you want to add to the mix, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. And thank you for tuning in today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.